Let's get ourselves into a kitchen cleaning routine. Join me. Previously, we have talked about doing a 15-minute kitchen cleanup. However, let me share with you my tips for keeping my kitchen clean and tidy all day long. Once a week, clean your floors. You're going to pick up anything that has accumulated from the kids, school books, bags, your husband's briefcase, shoes, whatever's on the floor, you need to find its home and put it there. Then you're going to sweep and mop. Just once a week. It doesn't have to be daily, but I promise you, doing that is going to make you feel so much better. Putting things away. If there's an item in your kitchen that doesn't belong there and you walk past it, pick it up. Never walk past something in your house or in your kitchen that doesn't belong in that spot. Pick it up as you're walking through, just put it away where it goes. Don't put dirty dishes in the sink, ever. I tell my family, the sink is not for your dirty dishes. The dishwasher is. Whenever you use dishes, wash them as soon as you use them. If you don't have a dishwasher, hand wash dry and put them away. Just really quick, it takes 3 extra minutes to make sure that your dishes are clean whenever you're done. And if you do have a dishwasher, just simply rinse your dirty dishes off and place them in your dishwasher throughout the day. Then in the evening after dinner, you can turn it on and the next morning all of your dishes will be clean and your sink will be empty. Those are my tips for keeping the kitchen clean all day long. If you have some additional tips or ideas for doing that, please share them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Welcome to DIY Your Life. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell next to it so you never miss an organizational or cleaning video. Share this video on your social media with all your friends and family. And please click the thumbs up button below. Thanks!